78% of Americans live paycheck to paycheck, not because they don't earn enough, but because nobody taught them this one rule. The 50-30-20 rule takes less than 5 minutes to set up and can completely rewire how you handle money starting today. Take your after-tax income and cut it in half. That 50% is locked for essentials only: rent, groceries, utilities, transportation, insurance. If your essentials are eating more than half your paycheck right now, that's your first red flag. It means something needs to shift. Either your income goes up or one of those fixed costs comes down. This single number tells you exactly where you stand. Here's the part most budgets get wrong. They punish you for living. Your 30% is yours to enjoy, guilt-free. Dinners out, Netflix, gym memberships, weekend trips. When you know you have permission to spend this money, you stop the cycle of binge and restrict that wrecks most budgets. Enjoy it fully, because the next 20% is already handled. This is where real financial transformation happens. The moment your paycheck lands, automate 20% straight into savings or investments before you can spend it. 3 months of this builds your emergency fund. 6 months in, you're starting to invest. The secret? You never see it, so you never miss it. Automation removes willpower from the equation entirely. Try this for just 30 days. Map your last month of spending against 50 to 30 to 20 and see where your money actually went. The answer might surprise you. Drop your biggest money challenge in the comments right now and subscribe for a brand new financial tip every single week. Your future self is counting on the decision you make today.